Hello guys, I am Atik Khan and welcome to my YouTube channel Atik is Gyan. Guys, in this video you are going to learn some important basic sentences which you are using in our daily lives. Guys, these sentences are very important for you and these sentences will help to improve your English language. So guys, let's go to learn up these sentences. Guys, you can see here, here given hundreds sentences and you can see here first, good day to you sir, he is still not well. Well done, keep it up. I will call you later. I will catch you soon. Please give me your hand. Get out of my sight. I did not understand. What do you mean? What are you talking about? Could you stay away from my stuff? I am sorry. I am feeling tired today. It's none of your business. I don't know. We both like each other. Come quickly. Talk to you later. Thank you very much. What is your problem? Can I ask you something? It was nice meeting you. How are you? What is going on? What are your likes and dislikes? Sorry for the inconvenience. What can I do for you? Will you please help me with this? This is not a joke. Stop kidding. What is happening here? Everything is fine. Did you get my point? What do you want from me? How old are you? Where is your office? Get ready to go to school. I will try my level best. Are you joining us? I am very pleased to meet you. You are my responsibility. This is not fair. What are you doing today? Please say something. I will come again. What would you like to have? Thank you for inviting us. It's my pleasure. Thank you for the advice. Many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. I wish you a happy married life. Please be seated. I am on my way. When will you reach? Nice to meet you. Is everything alright? Hope to you see next time. Do you speak English? You are getting late for school. I missed my school bus. Who is your class teacher? Please clean the board. Read the sentences carefully. What is your favorite subject? Who is your favorite teacher? I have completed my homework. Improve your handwriting. Why are you late? What is your contact number? Could you show me your answer sheet? I appreciate it. Do you agree with me? Do you know what I mean? It was nice to talk with you. I made it. I feel sad about your loss. Let's celebrate. What do you like the most? Do not disturb. Try to open this door. I read books. I do not want to know anything. Drive carefully. I love to play video games. Go slow from the crowd. This is your updated version. The sun rises from the east. We cook every day. Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy. Have a nice day. Excuse me. Stop crying. Are you fooling me? Could you give me some money? Girls do not want to stay in the room. She wakes early in the morning. He sleeps in the afternoon. How can I help you? Guys, you looked up these sentences, you practice up this sentence to improve your English language. Guys, if you have any confusion or if you have any doubt or if you have any questions, you can comment.